This isn't your average stuffed eggplant. We're taking a classic dish and giving it bold flavor, juicy meat, and modern plating that looks as good as it tastes. Let's cook something unforgettable. The first step is preparing the eggplants. First, we cut them in half. Then, using a spoon, we scoop out the inside. Chop it into small cubes and use it in the stuffing. I advise looking for larger eggplants as they're easier to stuff. To start, pour the oil into a pan and let it heat up. Then, add the minced meat. Next comes the soy sauce. If you don't like soy sauce in your food, you can skip it. Next, add the white wine and stir gently until the alcohol evaporates. Add the bay leaves, the mushrooms, onion, carrot, and garlic. Add the chopped eggplant flesh to the mixture. Now we add a bit of basil, oregano, 1 tablespoon of sugar to reduce the acidity of the tomatoes, and salt and pepper to each person's taste to the tomato paste and water mixture. Use a quarter of this mixture. Finally, add the spice mix. Remove the bay leaves and let them simmer over medium heat for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. We pour the remaining tomato sauce into a baking dish. Then, we place the eggplant halves in the dish and fill them, leaving a bit of space for the grated cheese. Next, we add the grated cheese on top. Place the sliced tomatoes and drizzle with a bit of olive oil. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 15 minutes. This was my recipe for stuffed eggplants with minced beef. You can serve it with sour cream. Also, you can find all the quantities and the full recipe details in the video description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode with a new recipe.